Hello, my friends. What is the project for today? What I have here, it is a delay timer. You can set the delay between half a minute and 10 minutes. This is exactly what you need here in South Africa when you have load shedding, when the power comes back on. They say there can be a peak voltage or something comes through the line and then damage your equipment. And then you use this kind of device. When the power comes back on, it waits for half a minute or whatever you set the setting on, and then it comes on. It's just to overcome that first initial time when the power comes on. We experienced it last week when the power came back on. It was just on for a second, and then it switches off again. And then it switches on again. It's how the equipment work. If there's a problem, it switches off, and then it switches back on. And then this is exactly what's going to break your equipment, especially the fridges. I want to make this for my fridge and the freezer, because when the moment the power comes on, the compressor is on, and then it switches off, and then it switches on, and then it's have a problem. So I'm going to also build it on a box. What happened here is it has a coil, it's a circuitry inside, and a relay. But what I have here is an extra relay, because I don't want to use this relay to drive the contacts to drive the output to the AC for both the fridges. So I use another relay with better contacts, it's a higher amp switch contact. Then I use this output to drive this coil, and this contacts can do like a big job. I'm just going to put this in a container or in a little boxy, because it's dangerous like this. I've got it just for showing how it works. I've got a plug here. I'm going to plug it in. The moment I plug it in, you'll see I'll just switch it on the shortest time. I don't have to wait too long. We're going to plug it in here. And then the green light comes on. And then it's going to wait a while, and then the red light comes on. So now this is the delay, and there's a red light. So, and the relay pulls in. So this is exactly what I want. Okay, I'll put this on a piece of paper, the circuitry, for you, that you can explain quickly what's going on here. Here's the AC that comes in. There's your delay, the orange unit. There's some electronics in there with a contact. But as I said, this contact, I'm not going to use, you can maybe switch 5 amps or so, but this contacts can use more current flow through it, through the contacts, and I can use all 3 sets of the relays. And then you drive this coil, this output drive this coil of the second relay, and then that contact you use for driving the output to your fridges. So you can handle a lot of more switching current, as I said. Okay, so this is quite easy. And then let's put it in the box. I have here a nice enclosure. I'm gonna mount this, stick it with double side tape in here. And then there's a relay, and I'm going to make a hole in here for the input and the output here with a plug, and then we can drive both fridges from this unit. Okay, let's gonna make some holes here quickly. Okay, I'm gonna drill 2 holes in here using my vise to pilot holes. After this, you just take a big drill and just deburr the sides for the cable not to damage. How's it? That will work. Okay, I found a nice thick cable, like a thick gauge cable with a plug on as well. And there's the input, this is for the output. And then I'm gonna, that whole device is gonna go through there. Also put a cable tie there, and gonna wire the stuff quickly inside there. Let me quickly show you another trick here. Some of these brass gets old and then they get all bad. Maybe it doesn't make nice contact. And you take steel wool, then you just go and you clean this brass with steel wool. Look how nice and shiny it is. Okay, now it's make good contact. This is just somewhere to show you using, look at this pink glue sticks. It's for a smaller machine. It is for this type of thin type of glue sticks. You heat it up with a food flame. Just a quick way if you don't want to wait too long for the glue gun to heat up. You go like this and then you just wipe it there. Just a quick way to use this stuff. Nice and funny color. But anyway, this is just I fasten everything and wire it up. This is just a ground that goes right through. There's a relay, so I use all the contacts of the relay, and I'm gonna test it now. Okay, I wire it up here. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna switch it on here, and then if there's a light there, so wait for a while. I put it on the short timing, and there it's on. I switch it off. The power should go off, and then the power goes on again. And wait that set distance of timing what you set it, and then it goes on again. So it works perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. Till next time. Cheers.